Are you a business owner, CEO, entrepreneur, visionary creator that knows deep inside that you are meant for more? Well, in that case, let me invite you to the Circle of Fame event Transform on the 15th and 16th of November in Surrey. The transformation will happen on the day. My name is Roxandra. I'm the co founder of the Circle of Fame event, and I am organizing events for the past 17 years. High impact, high energy, powerful events that are really designed to transform your business and your life forever. We are bringing world class speakers, experts on the stage for you to truly get massive value, to really learn new ways of thinking and doing and attract everything you really want in your life. Every aspect of your life that really can bring you fulfillment and success will be covered on those days by those amazing, incredible, powerful people and experts. You will learn about spirituality, mindset, strategies, branding, marketing, sales, health, stress, literally everything that you truly desire to have a fulfillment and successful life. The energy in the room will be really, really high. The way we create those events are truly for you to transform and to experience powerful change on the day and having lasting results. We're going to have two powerful workshops ready for you to truly take action. You're going to find out what's really holding you back and how you can change that, how you can truly thrive. And also the founder of the Circle of Fame events, Elena Apalkova, she will teach you exactly how to create a new identity and how to walk out of that room with a completely new higher self vision. And also you're going to get a 30-day plan for you to really know exactly what to do to get the roles, the goals that you truly desire. It's going to be incredible. Have a look at the website, see the testimonials, the transformations, the breakthrough already people experience our previous events, and then decide, make a decision because you are a decision maker. Come and join and see how incredible this will be for you. I'm very excited to meet you. Amazing people will be in the room. Our 15 amazing speakers and experts, but also incredible, powerful, driven, like minded individuals like you, business owners, CEOs, creators, leaders. They know they are meant for more and they are ready to step in to do whatever it takes to truly transform their life forever. Super excited to meet you on the 15th of November in Surrey. See you there.